Today we're going to learn division.
Division lets us separate a number of objects into equal-sized groups.
The division sign we're going to use looks like this.
To divide, we need to know two things. The first thing we need to know is how many objects that there are in total, and we also need to know how many groups that this total amount is going to be divided into.
Alright, so we're going to do an example. A bubblegum company has 18 bubblegum. And we're going to need to take those bubblegum balls and divide them into equal groups.
So we're going to divide these 18 bubblegum balls into 3 different groups. The first thing that we need to know in a division problem is the total number of objects. And for this problem, our objects are bubblegum balls, and we have 18 of them. So our total number is 18. Now we also need to know the amount of groups that we will be dividing them into, and that number is 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 groups. And the way we write this problem would be 18, our division symbol, 3, which stands for 18 gumballs divided into 3 groups.
Alright, now we're going to use an array to solve that division problem. So, an array is when you separate things into different organized groups. So with this, we're going to have 3 different groups. You're going to start with each one of the groups, and you're going to take each one and distribute them from the 18 gumballs. You're going to keep doing this until each group has used all the 18 gumballs.
So now that all 3 groups have the 18 gumballs, it's really easy to solve our division problem using these arrays. All you have to do is take one of the groups and count the number of gumballs in each. So in the first group, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gumballs. So we know that in all 3 groups there are 6 gumballs. And this helps us to solve our problem because we know that the 18 gumballs that are divided into 3 groups, each group then has 6. So that means that 18 gumballs divided into 3 groups equals 6 gumballs per group.
And that's just a way you can use an array to solve your division problem. Thanks for learning with us today.